Hello kids, today, we're going to make some delicious chocolate cakes right in our home. Are you excited? Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need 1 cup of whole milk, 2 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 3 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 5 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 6 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 7 1 egg, 8 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, let's make the batter. In a large mixing bowl, combine the milk, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Stir everything together until it's smooth. Next, add the cocoa powder and vegetable oil to the mixture. Mix everything well until it's no longer lumpy. Now, add the egg and vanilla extract to the batter. Mix everything together until it's well combined. For the toppings, we're going to make 2 layers. First, let's spread some butter on one side of our baking sheet. Then, let's add 1/4 cup of the cake batter to the baking sheet, making sure to spread it evenly. Now, let the cake bake for about 15–20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the middle of the cake comes out clean. Once the cake is done, let's remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Next, let's prepare the topping. Melt some chocolate chips in the microwave or on the stove, and spread them evenly on top of the cooled cake. Now, let the cake chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes, so the chocolate can set. And there you have it, kids. A delicious, homemade chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. Enjoy!